Hello my friend, I'm PTS. Before we begin the main discussion of this video, if you have not yet subscribed to our channel, click the subscribe button and like the video. To increase your trading efficiency, I want to put a series of very practical and profitable strategies for you on my YouTube channel. In this video series we tell you when to use each strategy and when not to use it. We will fully explain the advantages and disadvantages of each strategy. You can use these strategies in the stock market, in the forex market, and in the cryptocurrency market. In this video I want to tell you what a strategy is and why you should have a trading strategy. Trading strategy regulates your trades and greatly increases your chances of success in the financial markets. The strategy is the same trading plan and rules that you set yourself. The financial market is like a battlefield, and you are fighting like a soldier on this battlefield. For example, when you learn Elliott, they give you a sword. And when you learn price action, they give you a shield. And when you learn Fibonacci, they give you a spear. Whether you use a sword or a spear when fighting depends on your trading strategy. There are several types of trading strategies, most of which focus on technical analysis. Technical traders believe that all the information about a stock is in its price and movement. An issue that is important in formulating a trading strategy is its compliance with the personality and intrinsic characteristics of the trader. For example, a trader who is risk-averse and unable to tolerate risk cannot use a scalp strategy, or a trader who is an employee of the office and cannot sit on the system all the time cannot be a scalper because it does not have enough time for several trades per day and market monitoring. In formulating a trading strategy, you should pay attention to the fact that a trader who has a more complex trading system will not succeed, but someone who is more committed to his trading strategy will be successful. You need to have a plan for your trades. You cannot achieve acceptable success in the stock market without having a trading system in your trading. Why buy a stock? Do you choose your stocks fundamentally or technically? Is your shopping plan long-term or short-term? Do you care about news and rumors about the stock or not? Do you use daily or weekly time frames? The answers to these questions all lie in your trading strategy. It is your trading strategy that determines why you are buying a stock and how long you will hold it. Many people in the financial markets go to training and learn the science of analysis. But few people make steady profits because they do not have a credible trading strategy and do not adhere to a trading strategy. In this series of videos, I will try to fully explain to you how to build a trading strategy. In addition, I will tell you the types of practical and profitable strategies, and I will tell you where to use that strategy and where not to use it. If you have not yet subscribed to our channel, click the subscribe button and turn on the bell. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Have a nice day.